Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Google Meet join code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Google Meet code anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're doing your meetings through Google Meet, the other participants are going to need either a link or a code to join the meeting. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Meet. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my Google Meet, and this is the homepage. So as you can see right here, I can go ahead and join a Google Meet, but I need the code. So if one of your participants are asking for the code, it's going to be handled in the call itself. So let me go ahead and just open up a new meeting. I'm going to start an instant meeting. So as you can see, I opened up a Google Meet. So the meeting is active right now. So there's two different ways you can get the code. The first and easiest way is right down here on the bottom left. You can see this one is FIR-RZPA-AEC. So I can verbally just let the other participants know that, or I can go ahead and email it to them or text it to them. Another way you can do that is down here on the bottom right. You're going to see this little information button. Click on there. Once you do that, you can go ahead and copy the join info, and it's going to go ahead and copy the join link right here. And if you look at the join link after .com/, this is actually the join code as well. So that is the Google Meet login code. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Google Meet login code, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.